All right, guys, we're gonna take down a couple of these animal houses today and then turn it into a plant nursery. We're gonna reuse these hoops, set up a fourth hoop house over there and use it as a nursery. We just moved the chickens from right here to over there. We consolidated all the chickens into one house, and we're gonna tear this one out and scrape out all of the manure and compost it and then use it in the garden. Hoop. Out of the ground, baby. So we got the pig house down, and then we're gonna take down this chicken house next.